In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Hostinger account step by step, whether you're using your email and password or a social login method like Google, Facebook, or GitHub. I'll also show you what happens if two-factor authentication is enabled so you can get into your account quickly and safely. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to hostinger.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top of the page for the login option. On some screens, you may also see a profile icon in the top right corner. Click that and you'll be taken to the main login portal. Now you're at the sign-in page, and this is where you can choose how you want to log in. If you normally use your Hostinger email account, select the email and password method. Enter the email address associated with your Hostinger account, then type in your password carefully. Make sure there are no typos, especially if your password includes capital letters, numbers, or special characters. After that, click Login. If your details are correct, Hostinger will begin signing you in right away. If you prefer to use a connected social account, you can choose Google, Facebook, or GitHub instead. This is a very convenient option if your Hostinger account was linked to one of those services when you signed up. Just click the option you want, confirm the sign-in permission if prompted, and Hostinger will handle the rest. In some cases, you may also be asked to complete two-factor authentication. If 2FA is turned on for your account, this is an extra security step designed to protect your login. You'll need to open your Authenticator app or check your email or text messages depending on how your verification method was set up. Then enter the 6-digit code into the verification field and click Verify. This helps confirm that it's really you trying to access the account. Once the login is successful, you'll be taken directly into your Hostinger hPanel dashboard. This is your main control panel, where you can manage websites, domains, email accounts, hosting settings, and everything else connected to your account. If you land on hPanel, that means your login worked correctly. If you run into any issues, double-check that you're on the correct Hostinger website, make sure your email and password are entered properly, and confirm that your verification code hasn't expired if 2FA is enabled. And that's it, you now know how to log into your Hostinger account using the official website. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.